So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys a recipe that works like magic for premature ejaculation. If you want to be able to perform better in bed, then this video is definitely that one video for you.
This recipe is one recipe that works like magic. It is super effective and potent. So if you want to know how I make this recipe, continue watching the video. Make sure you watch it to the very end, because at the end of this video I gave tips on how to use it to see great results. Alright, this is your bitter cola, your alligator pepper. This is how it looks like. We're needing just 3 seeds from this alligator pepper. So all you need to do is to open it and remove your seed. So guys, this is what alligator pepper looks like inside. This is it outside. Join it together with your Uziza. Okay. Your bitter cola, your garlic, 2 seeds of garlic. Okay.
But I kept searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside.
So guys, our drink is ready. This drink should be taken at night, or preferably take it whenever you know you want to perform. Alright, take it 30 minutes to the set time. This drink is like an energy booster drink to boost your system and make you become agile and be strong to last hours in bed. With this drink you can never go wrong. Alright, all its ingredients are natural products, down to bitter cola, your alligator pepper, your Uziza and the rest. It is super effective and it's so good. So give it a try and let me know in the comment section.
If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for? Come on, this is like the best natural remedy channel you can ever find on YouTube. Okay, subscribe now to join the family, and don't forget to turn on notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. I post videos weekly. You don't want to miss out on my updates, and I will see you guys in my next video. So make sure you stay tuned, and God bless you.